Yes, welcome back children. In the previous session we discussed about the private healthcare services, okay, in India. Private healthcare services, number of private hospitals increased than the public healthcare services. This is because the private healthcare services more concentrated in the urban areas, okay. So the people, the 40% of the people unable to pay the expensive of the private medicines, even though they prefer the private hospitals, okay. In some hospitals they are doing wrong practices to earn more money, okay. So for normally the people unable to pay more money, they automatically they are borrowing money from others, okay. Even though they are preferring the private hospitals because the cleanliness and the treatment in correct time, they feel very secure. So what the government want to do for that? It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor and disadvantaged. Okay, then basic communities and social condition of the people need to be improved. That also duty of the government only. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes. The Kerala experience, 40% of the state budget. See here they given the example, Kerala government as example, how they maintain the good health in their state, okay. Here they are saying 40% of the state budget. There is a budget, central budget and state budget. That means the government, central government allotted some fund to the state government, and the state government allotted some fund to the local self government, and they are divide the fund into all the needs, okay. Here the Kerala government doing a wonderful thing. What does that means? 40% of the state budget is given to the panchayat, the local self government. They are given 40% of the state budget. From that the local self government provide good drinking water, food facilities, women's development and education. Yes children, normally lot of diseases will come through water and without proper food, okay. So if they cover these area means 80% of the health problem solved. Yes or no? Do you understand what I am saying? Yes, normally the diseases and the other problems came because of the unhealthy food and dirty drinking water, is like that, contaminated drinking water, everything, okay, women's. So here that 40% of the state budget amount fund spent by the local government they are concentrated to their area, and they provide good drinking water and they provide good food facilities for the people, and also they are concentrating the women's development and education. Women's development means what? They are giving proper education to them, and they give the awareness program to the women's, and also they are give proper education to the people. If they get educated, what happen? They will take care themselves. Yes, no? So this is the basic idea for the Kerala, and they are doing the successfully they are doing the health service in their state, okay. Yes, listen. Yes, health centers were improved. Water supply, due to that 40% of the amount, what they are doing, health centers improved them. Water supply schemes were checked, and working of schools and Anganwadis ensured. Okay, these things, Anganwadis and working of schools, these things ensured by the local self-government. Okay, yes. In 1996, the Kerala government made some changes, many major changes in the state. 40% of their entire state budget was given to panchayats. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. This meant that water supply schemes were checked, the working of schools and Anganwadis. Anganwadis means what? Like pre-KG, okay, that is called Anganwadis. From the Anganwadis, the workers in the Anganwadis want to take health care for the pregnant ladies and the newborn babies, okay. So the Anganwadis was ensured and specific problems of the village were taken up. Health centers were also improved. All of this helped to improve the situation. Despite these efforts, however, some problems, even though they are doing a lot of things like this, they made some problems such as shortage of medicines, insufficient hospital beds, not enough doctors remained, and these needed to be addressed. Yes, for more details, we can see in the other scenes. Okay, dears. Yes, what they are saying, even though the Kerala government allotted 40% of the state budget, the local self-government take care of the good drinking water, good food facilities, women's development, education, working of schools, and checking water supply, and also Anganwadis. Even though they have some problems. What are that problems? Adequate, that is insufficient, there is no sufficient beds in the hospitals and also the doctors, okay. But they little bit good as compared to the other states, okay. Yes, here I am giving some problems like shortage of medicines, insufficient hospital beds and doctors still persist. Okay, next, the Costa Rican approach. Okay, the Costa is a country, is in South America. Okay, is a country. Costa Rica is one of the healthiest country, not countries, healthiest countries in South America. Credits goes to its constitutions. What they are saying, Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in Central America. The main reason this can be found in the Costa Rican constitution 7 years ago. Costa Rica took a very important decision, and okay, that is several years ago, it was decided not to have an army, and they spent the money on education, health and other basic needs. What the government decided, they are decided to not have the army for them. Instead of that, instead of spending money to the army, they spend the money to the education, health and other basic needs. What a good plan. Yes, no? What a wonderful plan they made. Yes, Costa Rican government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot attention to the health of the people. The Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities, to all Costa Ricans. For example, it provides good drinking water, sanitation, nutrition and housing. Health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all levels. So that the Costa Ricans are doing, okay. So that is very good, because every country paying a huge amount, spend a lot of amount to maintain its army power, okay. So here this is the good example for the another thing, okay. Here the some answers for you. In this chapter you have read the health is a wider concept than illness. Look at this quote from the constitution and explain the terms living standard and public health in your own words. Wait. Answer is living standard means the level of living of people at which they live. If they live in hygienic condition, enjoying all the comforts of life, it means their living standard is high. On the contrary, if they are bound to live in a filthy surroundings and drink polluted water and eat unhygienic food, it means they led a low standard of living. Public health, it refers to the health to the general public. What are the different ways through which the government can take steps to provide health care for all? Discuss. The government can take steps to provide health care for all by increasing the number of hospitals, healthcare centers and family welfare centers, organizing free camps for check-up general public health, organizing pulse polio campaigns, spreading health awareness among common people through different means, workshops, seminars or training camps can also prove to be effective way. Yes, this is the activity given in the book. What differences do you find between private and public health services in your area? Use of the following table, compare and contrast. Yes, facility, private and public, cost of services and availability services. Private, what is the cost of services? High and also very expensive. Availability services, everything is available but on high cost. Public, either free or at very low cost. Okay, in so many hospitals we can get the treatment free. Okay, and in some hospitals we should pay less amount. There is always a rush. Availability services, there is always a rush at the public hospitals, even though services are available there, but it takes time. Yes, we discussed these things. Yes, no, it takes times. Improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Yes, that's why the Kerala government provided 40% of its amount fund to the Panchayat, because that is the duty for the Panchayat. They only able to provide the good drinking water to the people. Listen, improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Yes, it's 10% correct. Explain with the help of examples. Water and sanitation are the basic necessities for the maintenance of our health. Yes or no? Yes. Poor quality of water causes a lot of health problems. Similarly, poor sanitation causes many epidemics, giving birth to dangerous insects and worms. Recently, we saw the spread of dengue caused by Aedes mosquito. Okay, Aedes mosquito. Malaria is also caused by mosquito Aedes. Okay, not I forgot the name. Aedes mosquito. Malaria is also caused by the mosquito called Anopheles. Improvement in water and sanitation can control these happenings. Yes, children? Yes, go through. I think these 4 questions they asked you in the book, and read the glossaries, everything. Okay, glossaries they given in page number 29. What is the definitions they given for it? Public, private, medical tourist, communicable disease, OPD. OPD means outpatient department, ethics, generic names. Kindly read this. You have a small test in this glossary, page number 29. Okay, yes, go to it. Go to and take your book. Public, an activity or service that is meant for all people in the country and is mainly organized by the government. This includes schools, hospitals, telephone services, etc. People can demand these services and also raise questions about their non-functioning. Private, an activity or service that is organized by an individual or company for their own gain. Medical tourist, this refers to foreigners who come to this country specifically for medical treatment at hospitals that offer world-class facilities at a lower cost than what they would have to pay in their own countries. Communicable diseases. These are diseases that are spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, food, air, etc. OPD, that is, this is the short form for outpatient department. This is where people are first brought in and treated in a hospital without being admitted to any special ward. Ethics, moral principles that influence a person's behavior. Generic names, these are chemical names of the drugs. They help in identifying the ingredients. They are globally recognized, for example, acetyl salicylic acid in the generic name of aspirin. Okay dears, so go through your book page number 29. You have a small test in this one. Be prepared. Okay dears, thank you. Go and read your book. Take care dears.